Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of coding by getting Visual Studio Code up and running on Windows 11. There are two simple ways to do this, so let's jump right in. First, you can head over to the official Visual Studio Code website and grab the right package for your system. Download it and follow the installation prompts. Or, if you're looking for an even easier route, just head to the Microsoft Store. Search for Visual Studio Code and hit that download button. Simple as that. Once you've got VS Code installed, launch it. Feel free to customize the theme to your liking. Go dark, go light, make it your own. Now, the important part. Let's set up your preferred coding environment. See this little icon here? Click it and choose your language. For me, it's Python time. To make the magic happen, we need to install the Python extension. Don't forget that. Plus, there are some essential packages you'll need for Python, so get those installed too. Time to write your first lines of code. Hit New File, give it a name, and let the coding begin. And there you have it. You're all set to start your coding journey in Visual Studio Code. If you found this helpful, drop a thumbs up